How can you cancel Shulkshare and remove credit card info? Canceling your Shulkshare membership and removing your credit card information depends on how you're initially subscribed. So basically, what you want to do is, in order to cancel your subscription, log into your Shulkshare account from your browser and go to account settings and go to membership and payment from the left menu and tap on cancel membership. Now, this way you will be able to cancel it directly through the website. And if you've used a third-party source, App Store or Google Play Store, you just want to open up settings for the App Store on your device. Open up settings and tap onto the iCloud ID, and there you will be able to find subscription, and you could find Skillshare and cancel subscription. And if you've used Google Play, you just want to open up Google Play Store. Next, you want to go to the profile at the very top right and go to payment and subscription and find subscription from the list, and this is where you're supposed to cancel it. So this way you'll be able to cancel. Now, if you want to remove your credit card, you actually have to go to the Shulkshare website. So once you open up the website or log into your account, once again press open membership and payment. Then under payment settings, to access the ship bill portal, a link will be sent to your email. Follow it to find your payment method and just tap on the X icon next to the card to remove it. And this way you're supposed to cancel your Shulkshare membership and remove credit card info as well. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.